In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove applied effect from video in CapCut on PC. If you've added something like a filter, a blur, or a sharpening effect to your footage, and then decided it makes the video look too distracting, too heavy, or just not as clean as you wanted, don't worry. In CapCut on PC, removing that effect is usually very simple. There are two easy ways to do it, and the right method depends on how the effect was originally added to your project. The first and most common situation is when CapCut places the effect as a separate layer on the timeline. To check for that, look directly above your main video clip. If you see a purple asset block there, that purple bar is the effect you applied. Go ahead and click on that purple bar once so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when you see it highlighted with a white border. Once it's selected, press the Delete key or the Backspace key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, the effect is removed instantly and your video returns to its normal appearance. This is the fastest method, and it's usually the one you'll use most often. Now, there's a second possibility. Sometimes the effect is not added as a separate purple layer. Instead, it gets applied directly to the video clip itself. In that case, you won't see a purple bar above the clip on the timeline, so don't let that confuse you. Just click once on your main video clip down on the track to select it. Then move to the top right Properties panel. From there, open the Video menu and click on the Effects tab. This section shows you the effects that are currently active on that selected clip. Once you're in that list, find the effect you want to remove. If you only want to disable it temporarily, uncheck the box next to the effect name. That turns it off without fully deleting it, which can be helpful if you want to compare the before and after look. If you know you don't want it anymore, click the small trash can icon instead to delete it completely. And that's it. Whether the effect appears as a separate purple layer or is embedded directly into the clip settings, CapCut makes it easy to clean things up in just a few clicks. Once the effect is gone, your clip will look clean and normal again, and you're ready to keep editing.